Okay, Vlog Squad, it's time that Bigfoot. Wait! Yo, is that a flippin' UFO behind me? Shh, I think they left it unlocked. If I get vaporized, clear my browser history. Dang it, whose spaceship got these low ceilings?
So we got jellyfish jello? This smells like battery acid mixed with a durian. Let's just...
Belly-H-H! I pushed the wrong button! It's cooking me! Get me out! Get me out! There's the taco!
They're back! I hear hover boots. Abort mission. Jungle exit strategy engaged.
So would I break into an alien fridge again? Absolutely. Like, comment, and beam me up, fam.